Hi friends, I am Krishna. So today we are going to learn how to delete a repository from the GitHub. Okay, it is important. Okay, uh, this small video. Okay, here this is my GitHub. Um, this is my repository which I have created. Okay, so if you wanted to delete this repository, actually you don't have any delete option here. Okay, um, in the menu or here. Suppose if you are going inside the repository, okay, here also we don't find any delete option. Okay, so it is a bit confusing to many of the people that how to delete the repository. Deleting the repository means deleting my entire project. Okay. So here in this menu, if you are there are the tabs. Okay, different tabs available over here. In this there is setting. Go to the setting. First, you go to that repository. Inside that repository, you will be finding different tabs over here like code, issues, pull requests, actions, projects, wiki, security, uh, insights. Okay, so here there is a setting option. Click on settings. Okay, inside the setting, okay, take this here. Okay, inside the setting, if you go scroll down, okay, don't disturb any other things, okay, over there. So here there is a danger zone, okay, in red color. Okay, danger zone. Okay, so in this danger zone we are having a delete this repository. Okay, you click on this delete this repository button. Here it will be asking to type your repository name over here. Okay, so you have to type because explicitly it wants to make sure that, okay, because of your will and wish you are typing it. Okay, this is some sort of what you call accepting the terms and conditions. Okay, so I am typing here Mohan. Here whatever there here you have to type that. Okay, Android. Okay, after typing this one, then only this button will be highlighted. Okay, if you will not type fully, then this button will not be highlighted. So if you type fully, then this button will be highlighted. Then click on this button. I understand the consequences, delete this repository. Okay, so see here your repository has successfully deleted. Okay, hope you understood how the repository will be deleted in the GitHub. Okay, uh, thank you.